Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told there are 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen and 1 molecule of water. And we're asked, given this information, how many hydrogen atoms are there in 51 molecules of water? So here we have a conversion rate, right? We have 2 atoms of hydrogen per 1 molecule of water. And we have this rate, and if we multiply it by the number of molecules we're looking for here, 51, then the molecule unit will cancel out. And we're left with 2 atoms of hydrogen times 51. 2 times 51 is 102 atoms of hydrogen. If you say atoms, divided by 1 is just 102 still. And we're actually asked in the problem how many atoms are there in 51 molecules of water. 102 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.